this video, you will learn how to perform insertion operation in a linked list, including inserting elements at the beginning, middle, and end. Without wasting time, let's go through the video. Before that, if you haven't watched our video on creation of linked list yet, which covers the explanation of these parts, click on the I button to check it out. Make sure to watch that video first for a better understanding before continuing with this video. Coming to the topic, the insert at beginning method takes two parameters, self and new data, which is the data we want to insert in the linked list. Inside the method, we created a new node using the node class, which we defined at the beginning of the video, where this node has data part and next part. We then set the next pointer of the new node to point to the current head of the linked list. This effectively makes the new node the new head of the list. Finally, we update the head of the linked list to be the newly inserted node, making it the first element in the list. This is how we insert the new nodes at the beginning of the linked list. Let's move on to the next topic in this video, that is insert after a node. First, we define a method called insert after node, which takes three parameters: self, previous node, new node. Inside the method, we check if the previous node is none. We do this to ensure the given previous node is present or not in the linked list, which is to facilitate the insertion of elements in between the nodes. If the given previous node is not present in the list, then it prints the given previous node must present in the linked list and then returns from this method. If the given previous node is not none, we create a new node using the node class which we defined at the beginning of the video. In the next line, the new node next pointer is set to the next node of the previous node, which has the address of upcoming nodes, so that the newly inserted node has the address of this node. Then the previous node next pointer is updated to point the new node. This is how we effectively insert the new node after the previous node in the linked list. Lastly, let's discuss the final topic of this video, that is insert at end. First, we define a method called insert at end, which takes two parameters, self and new data. Inside this method, we create a new node using the node class which we define at the beginning of the video. Before inserting the new node at the end, we check if the linked list is empty or not by verifying if self.head is none. If the linked list is empty, we set the head of the linked list to be the new node which we created, and then we return from this method. If the linked list is not empty, we assign the head of the node to last and traverse the linked list starting from the head to find the last node. We do this by iterating through the linked list using this while loop that continues as long as the next pointer of the current node is not none. That is, when last.next is pointing to none, the while loop breaks. Once we reach the last node, we update the next pointer of the last node to point to the new node which we created. This is how we effectively insert the new node at the end of the linked list.